A very valuable lesson I learned growing up is that you need to know this much in order to teach this much. And the reason being is because you need to know a lot more to be able to articulate what you are teaching in a very digestible and comprehensive way. The same goes for your art. In order to articulate what you want to articulate in your work, you have to know the underlying structures and foundations before you can articulate them. If you want to draw a figure, you have to know the anatomy underneath. If you want to draw a car, you kind of have to know the frame of the car in order to build it up. You don't have to work yourself to death either. If you're trying to learn anatomy, like I am, you don't have to go off the deep end and just work for hours and break your brain over it. You can do just like little simple sketches just to get the idea. You can write little labels down just to know what parts are in the right place. So I drew a sketch of a skull because I want to learn how to draw portraits better. It's not too terribly detailed, but there are certain abbreviations here to be more descriptive about it. Understanding how this structure works in relation to itself and to the body will help you render those portraits better. And right next to that skull, I have an actual illustration of a face. And this face is made more structured and more believable because of the anatomy lying underneath. And it doesn't have to be just anatomy. It can be shapes and forms that you rely on in order to render what you want. Of course, there's a lot more that goes into it. But for now, just understand that you need to be a lot more knowledgeable in order to render the things you want to render. Whether that be form, shape, anatomy, structure, whatever it is. If you stuck around, thank you. I appreciate you, and I love you. Have a great day.